channel. I'm Astrid. So today we will unbox and review this Lego Classic mini box. So today I will show you how to build the mini green dog. Before I unbox, please watch my other videos at my YouTube channel, Astrid Mulles. And if you want to sub my Facebook page, Astrid Mulles. So guys, are you ready to unbox?
Yes!
Let's unbox! It's like this. We have the instructions and we have one bag. Okay, let's put the box over here, and then let's open the first. Of course, it's only one bag, so let's just open the bag. So guys, I already separated the parts of the Lego Classic green dog, mini green dog. So, are you ready to build?
Yes!
Let's build! This is the grass for the puppy. First, we gotta need is this. I think this is for the body. Next is the back. Is the back feet because it's sitting like a real dog. Next, for extra, let's put this. And for of course, the front feet. The next, this one, which means we're almost at the face. Next is these. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. It looks like the face, but it's still not. First, we gotta put the ears. There we go. Then let's make. Oh wait, first let's put this on. Ta-da! But first, we gotta need to make the face. Something's missing. Aha! This one, of course. Then let's start making the face. First, we gotta need this for the base of the face. And then next, let's put this eye and another eye here. The next is this one. The next is the part of the nose. Then this one for the ta-da! Ta-da! I'm done! So guys, please check my YouTube channel and my Facebook page, Astrid Mulles. And please watch my other videos. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and share. Click the subscribe button to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. Bye!